In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your business on Google. It's very ideal to get your business on Google. There's one Google service that is called Google My Business. Google My Business connects you directly with customers, whether they are looking for you on Search, Maps, or Google Plus. Anyway, they're looking for you. It enables you to connect to be found and connect with your prospective customers and current customers. To go to google.com.ng/business, it will take you to this page. And then with Google, one good thing about Google My Business is that it enables you to get on Google. You can be found by customers across the globe when they come and make search. It enables you to put your business info on Search, Maps, and Google Plus, so the customers can find you no matter what device they are using. It makes you to be able to keep in touch with your customers, start a conversation with people, and lots of other things. So you have to get on Google. So just click on get on Google to get your business on Google. When you get on Google, you'll be found by the right customers. Give customers the right information about you, and then you connect with your customers. So click on get on Google. The first thing to do is to find your business. See if it's located yet. Enter your business name. You can enter Proton Academy. It's not there. None of this is your match. So the next thing you're going to click on is add your business. What's the name of the business? Proton Academy. Which country? Nigeria. Streets. Located Makaya. Port Harcourt. It's good to add your exact address. East West Road. I can just directly. I have another address. Let me use the 11 Tumbia Street. So this is Tumbia Street in Port Harcourt, and then the postal code. You can look for the postal code, Nigerian's postal code. Let me show you how to find out for Nigerian postal. Go to nigeriapostcodes.com. Select the states. Rivers State. Select the town, Port Harcourt. Select the area. New GRA. Select the street. Is it phase 1 or phase 2? Phase 2. Phase 1. Get your postal code. They bring the postal code. You copy it. Sorry, Tombia Street is actually GRA phase 2. So phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 are using the same code. You can actually confirm by going back. Select reverse. Down Port Harcourt area. New GRA. Phase 2. Get postcode. To give you the postcode, you copy it. Take it to your Google business. Paste it. Enter the state. Reverse. Enter the phone number 0803-150-2484. You can now select the category for your business. Education. You can now click on continue. Okay, the address is now all entered. GRA phase 2. Phase 2. You click on continue. Still having the same problem. So you're still having the same problem. You can click here, drag the marker on top of your business to zoom so you can actually look at the street. This is the marker. You can drag it. This is Tombia Street. So this is Woji Road. This is IBB Lane, Tombia Street. So you should be around here. And then you can now click on done. And then scroll down. Click on continue. Loading. Continue. So you can deliver goods and services to customer that are within 10 miles. Just 1,000 miles anyway there, you can send it to them by courier. 100 miles, 100 kilometers of my business. But I want to target it, so let me bring it down to 10 kilometers. So it's Proton Academy. So you agree to the terms of service. Continue. So that's how to add your business to Google Map. Whenever anyone searches for Proton Academy online, it will not only show the result, it will direct them to where your company is located through Google Map. And then it makes it easy. People can comment, people can have access to contact you. And to make sure you can manage this business on Google, you need to verify your association with this business. So they'll send you a verification. They'll send you a postcard that you use to verify, to actually know that this is your address. So you need to use an address that is your own address. You don't use another address. So click on send postcard. So currently your business would appear as unverified until you verify using the code sent to you. So they will send you the code. But for now, your business is listed on Google Business, on Google Maps, everywhere. But it's going to be shown unverified. So unverified is better than for it not to be listed at all. So when you receive the postcode, you can come and verify it. So there are lots you can do with Google Business.